How to activate BuddyPress Block Member. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to activate BuddyPress Block Member. With this feature, your members can block other members they want. So the blocked members cannot see the blocker member's profile and activities. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate. Second, you need to install and activate BuddyPress Block Members. You can purchase this plugin on Youzify.com. We put the URL on this video description below. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to Youzify panel, extension settings, and block members. You can set up the system on this settings page. Enable or disable reason required, notify admin on blocks, blocked profile redirect page URL. Also, you can select who can or cannot be blocked. Let's test it. I block a member by click the block button. Member also can have their own block members page to see the blocked list. And then log in with that blocked member account. Now you can see that this user cannot see the blocking member on members directory. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.